What's good, Camcorder squad? Today we talking about dunks. I ain't even finna hold y'all. Roll that camera, please. What's good, Camcorder squad? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks. Welcome to my channel, Cooler with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and let me know you rocking with the team. All right, today now we talking about some sneakers that I've been trying to get for the longest. It was a specific sneaker that I've been trying to get for the longest. It's the Dunk, and it's been a hard year trying to get some Dunks. Like, anytime you try to get one on sneaker apps, the joint is not busting. I've been seeing a few people hit, but I don't even know how they do it. Either way, whatever. We just finna get to these joints because I'm ready to talk about the Dunk that I feel is one of the hardest dunks of 2020. So let's just get to it, fam. All right, man, right here, that's what we got. Y'all already know how we about to do it. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, now that boy is fired. This is one of my favorite. This has to be my favorite of 2020. The reason I say that is, one, right off the back, I'm thinking of the color right off the back. The colorway is what's blowing my mind right now. There's a number of essential joints. Now correct me, I'm gonna correct myself. I don't think this is the hardest dunk entirely of 2020. What I think this is the toughest dunk when it comes to essential pieces. When it comes to essential SP dunks, I think that this is one of the ones that are like specifically fire because of the colorway. Now we got the creative ones like the Strange Loves, we got the Chunky Dunky, we got the Garden Dunks. Those are the top dunks of 2020. But when it comes to like the essential joints like this, like the colorway itself, or just like the texture of it, the material that's on here, I have to say that this is the perfect one for me. I think this is the illest one of 2020. Now right off the back, like I said, it's the colorway that actually grabs my attention, but I do like the entirety of the sneaker. So right off the back, if you look at the bottom, bam. All right, now let me keep it a buck with y'all. This sneaker right here is 90% suede. Now just getting to the bottom, you'll see that this entire bottom is rubber. So you have your outer sole, you have your midsole, that is rubber, of course. So right out the back, you got the orange, which I'm just gonna be frustrated about because this is bright orange. This is a fire orange. I love the color orange. I just don't want to walk around and actually get this dirty or anything like that. Of course, it's suede and everything. I don't want to be walking around in it like that, but at the same time, still, when it hit the ground running, you're gonna get some dirt up on here whatsoever. I just don't want it to change up like that, but it is what it is. Now when you get to the midsole, you'll see that it's orange. You all know I like to have it like a worn look, more so like that yellowish color, but it's okay because we got the orange that's at the bottom that plays a role in color of the sole, so I'm all right with that. So I mean, like, in due time the white will change and it will have that worn look to it, so I'm cool with that. Now once we get to the upper, that's when everything starts busting because we got the suede that's on the entirety of this full sneaker, and that's what I love about it. Now right off the back, it makes me think of like this wood, like walking into the woods type of thing, simply because it's a burnt orange. This isn't the solid orange that you see at the bottom. This is more of a burnt orange. And then on the side you also have the black, which I actually like here. Now all of this is suede, like I said, and then you also have your Nike swoosh that is green, evergreen. I love the colors on here. You have your evergreen color, you have your black, and you have your orange on here. But the only thing that's completely different other than the rubber that's on here is the mesh, which you can find on the tongue. Now the tongue isn't like a SB dunk, like a skateboard dunk, because you know the dunks are more so like the SB dunks are more fatter on the tongue, and it's softer for those who like to do a lot of skateboarding. And then on the back of the heel, you also have a more softer heel that's on the back, and at the same time it's more flexible and everything like that. But getting back to this tongue real quick, it is mesh, and I do like that they have the Nike swoosh up here, they have the Nike logo up here, but you don't, as you see, you don't have the SB that's on this on the tag, and that's alright with me. I'm not tripping because, like I said, I actually got a dunk that I'm really interested in, a dunk that I actually wanted. Being on this tongue, I'm actually cool with it. It's not bothering me. Now when we get to the laces, we have the evergreen laces, which I'm gonna switch to a different color, so drop the comment down below and let me know what color you think I'm gonna switch these laces to. If you get it right, the first person to actually get the color right that I'm gonna switch these laces to, I'm actually gonna hit you up with a gift card. I'm gonna reach out to you and I'm gonna hit you up with a gift card. Now I can't let y'all know what color it is. Y'all gonna have to tune in to my IG page and see what color I'm actually gonna wear. And once you get to my IG page, make sure y'all follow me right now. Go ahead, it'll be right here or wherever. Just make sure y'all follow me and y'all get to see what color laces, if y'all was right or wrong or whatsoever. whatsoever. And like I said, if you're right, I'll reach out to you. With that being said, the laces, they are pretty thin, and I'm cool with that. No mind to it or anything like that. I might get some style from it. I might style up a couple pieces from it. But with the laces that I'm gonna switch it to, I'm gonna look for like that SB type of style. So I'm gonna get a fatter lace, or I might get the fatter round noodle-like laces, which is really dope to me. But at the same time, if I don't, like, I could wear these out for right now, and I stick these laces, I still fire, so it's cool with me. Now when we get to the back real quick, we also have the mesh that's around the heel that's in this black, as you can see. But at the same time, you have the cotton stitch that's on here, and then you still got suede some more on here, which is still fine with me. I think this is pretty dope. But around the heel area, when you put your foot on it, you'll feel on the inside, you'll have like some cushion, which I actually like because I really dislike for my sneakers to be discomforting. But I still do like the attention to detail, so I like that it's more softer. To me, it's more thicker and softer on the inside, and I like that they kept the orange colorway on the inside. I like the attention to detail, so it's pretty fire to me. Now, all in all, I actually do love this sneaker. It is a fire piece. I've been wanting to have dunks for a long time, and I've been trying to hit dunks all year. It just haven't happened. But fortunately enough, you know, I've saved up enough in order to get me a dunk that I actually wanted. I didn't want to just get a dunk to get a dunk. I wanted to get one that I actually like, something that I'm gonna have around for a while, and at the same time something I can style up in multiple ways. So with that being said, man, this is one of my favorite dunks. I have to say this is the favorite of 2020 when it comes to the essential pieces, especially with this colorway. Now they have put out a number of different dunks that was like this. They put out another colorway as well. Either way, like I said, this has to be like the best one to me of 2020. This is gonna be the last sneaker that I get of 2020. Shout out to Nike for creating something just as much as this. I think this is a fire piece, and I can't wait to style it. So with that being said, I'm about to show y'all how it looks on feet so y'all could get a view and see how it actually looks. Y'all already know how it is, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all next time. I'm out, I'm gone. I'll holler at y'all. Peace.